Hello friends, here Akshay with a new free certificate courses provided by Upgrade. The site link is in the description below and it is the first time when the paid courses of this site Upgrade is freely accessible. You are also familiar with this Upgrade and now it is provided under the program of lifelong learning. You can see what is lifelong learning on the screen. And now which courses are free? So here is the first one, Management Essentials, and in this communication and marketing, economics, these are the subtopics. And next one is getting started with digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the trending courses nowadays. Business analytics, Python for data science students. It is very most important for the students of the computer science engineering students. And next course is Introduction to Machine Learning Concepts, which is also beneficial for the students who are interested in artificial intelligence. And next one is Getting Started with the Java Programming. It is also useful for the students who are interested in Android development. And next two courses are below. Now we are going to see some frequently asked questions. Firstly, what if I want to learn more? If you want to learn more, then you have to join more courses which are paid. Next question is, what is the duration which I can access to the content? You can access these contents until the 30th June. Will I get a certificate? Yes, you get a e-certificate on your mail and also on the course card of this site. And next question is, how I sign up? The sign up process I shown in this video. Okay, I am now going to sign up. Firstly, you have to choose a course above. I will going to choose Getting Started with Java Programming. Okay. Here is the sign up tab and now I am going to sign up. As I am new on this site, firstly your name. I entered my name here. And after that, you have to enter your email ID, your contact number, the city you live, and also you have to create a new password. I have signed up. Then there is a mail from the Upgrade. Now, welcome to the lifelong learning initiative provided by Upgrade. We have to tap on Start Learning. I just tapped on Start Learning. A new window opens. It is open only in the desktop or laptop, so we have to switch over on the desktop mode in our browser if you accessing on your mobile phone or smartphone. Now it is opening. Here is a new tab by Upgrade Introduction. It shows the available programs which I mentioned before: Introduction to Blockchains, Getting Started with Front-end Development, Blockchain Development with the Ethereum, Business Analytics, Getting Started with Java Programming, Management Essentials. So different courses which I mentioned before. Now we have to go to course content. Here a pop-up comes by Upgrade, which is the introduction of the site. So you have to watch this video. Then after this video, we have now access the courses. Firstly, we are going to course content, which is the first in this tab. I tap on the course content. Now it is opening. Here is the course contents. First is the Upgrade learning experience. Here in this you get a basic introduction of this course and also the benefits of this course. And here is next topic, conditional loops and functions. The course contents are little bit lengthy from other courses, but it is very beneficial and also a very interactive course. Thanks for watching this video.